What if your greatest strength becomes your greatest fear? What if a brother turns into your biggest enemy and your life is destroyed not by a demon but by your own blood? Today's episode reveals the emotional story of Sugriva and how his destiny becomes connected with Lord Rama's mission. Previously, we have seen Rama and Lakshmana searching for Sita reach the forest near Kishkinda. There, they were approached by a mysterious Vanara who was none other than Hanuman, the loyal minister of Sugriva. Impressed by Rama's aura and truth, Hanuman took them to Sugriva, a king living in fear, hiding in exile. But why is a king living like this? Let's find out. Hanuman said to Rama, Lord Sugriva was betrayed by his own brother Vali. He was driven out of his kingdom and his wife was taken away. Rama listened calmly. Hanuman carried Rama and Lakshmana to the Rishishringa mount where Sugriva was hiding. Sugriva, trembling with fear, approached Rama, but Rama extended his hand in friendship. Sugriva held his hand and in that moment a powerful bond was formed. Sugriva said, From today your sorrow is mine and my joy is yours. Rama smiled. A friendship was born. With tears in his eyes, Sugriva spoke, O Rama, I have been humiliated by my brother Vali. He took my kingdom and even my wife. I live in constant fear, hiding like a coward. I'm helpless. Please protect me. Rama replied with calm strength, O Sugriva, friendship is sacred. I will help you. Your pain will end. Sugriva then said, Lord, I remember something. I saw a woman being carried away by a demon in the sky. She was crying out your name, Rama, Lakshmana. As she passed above me, she dropped her ornaments. Rama's eyes filled with tears. Sugriva quickly brought those ornaments. Rama held them, heartbroken. Lakshmana looked and said, I cannot recognize this upper ornament, but these anklets, I know them because I always go at Mother Sita's feet. Rama's voice turned fierce. I will not rest until I find Sita, and I will destroy the demon who took her. Sugriva then reassured him, We will find her, Lord, I promise. Rama then asked, What caused the enmity between you and Vali? Sugriva began his story. Once, a powerful demon named Mayavi came to challenge Vali. Vali chased him into a cave and told me to wait outside. I waited for days, for months. Then I heard terrifying screams and saw blood flowing out of the cave. I thought Vali was dead, so I sealed the cave and returned to the kingdom. The ministers made me king, but Vali was not dead. He killed the demon and returned, only to find the cave sealed. He believed I betrayed him. Blinded by anger, he attacked me, took my kingdom and my wife, and now I live in fear. Vali cannot enter this mountain because of a sage's curse. That is why I am safe here. Rama looked at Sugriva and said, Your suffering ends now. I promise you, I will defeat Vali. Sugriva's face filled with hope for the first time. Will Rama really defeat the mighty Vali, who is said to be invincible? Will Sugriva reclaim his kingdom? And how will this friendship help Rama find Sita? If you felt this emotion, if you believe in friendship and dharma, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the next powerful episode of Ramayana. Jai Shri Ram.